Jai Hind. Last time we have discussed about balancing of chemical equation and what is the necessary to write a balanced chemical equation, and I hope you may all have studied that and have completed the worksheet. Now we are going with the second section of this chapter, that is types of chemical reaction. As you know, a chemical reaction involves formation of a new product, and usually chemical reactions are irreversible in nature. So in a chemical reaction, the reactants are converted to new product. That means the bond between the reactants is broken down and a new bond is formed, which results in the formation of product. So a chemical reaction is actually a rearrangement of bonds. In this section, we are going to study about various types of chemical reaction. And the first type of chemical reaction is combination reaction. From the name itself, you will understand. Combination means what? It is the combining. Combination is the combining of new atoms or molecules to form a new product. So in combination reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. So in combination reaction, two or more reactants combine to form a single product. You have many familiar examples for combination reaction. The most simple example you know is the formation of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is formed from carbon and oxygen. And similarly, the burning of magnesium. Magnesium combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. So, in all these reactions, two reactants combine to give a single product. So, what is combination reaction? Combination reactions are those in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Let us see some examples given in your textbook. Here you can see carbon combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Carbon and oxygen are the reactants. So two reactants combine to form a single product, carbon dioxide. Similarly, in this reaction, magnesium combines with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here also magnesium and oxygen are the reactants which result in the formation of a single product, magnesium oxide. Next is the formation of water. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water. Hydrogen and oxygen are two reactants that combine to form a single product, water. Now, the third equation is important because many times board exam this question is asked. Calcium oxide, it is also known as quicklime. Calcium oxide is also known as quicklime that combines with water to form calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is also called the slaked lime. So, in all these equations or in all these reactions, you could understand that two reactants combine to form a single product. So, in all these reactions, two reactants combine to give a single product. So, this type of reactions are called combination reaction. So, combination reactions are those reactions in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product. So, what is combination reaction? Two or more reactants combine to form a single product. Such type of chemical reactions are called a combination reaction. I think you understand this. Now, let us see another characteristic of combination reaction. See, whenever a chemical reaction takes place, it may be assisted by a change in temperature. So, during combination reaction, a huge amount of heat is evolved. During combination reaction, a huge amount of heat is given out or heat is evolved. Such type of reactions in which heat is evolved are called exothermic reaction. So those chemical reactions in which heat is given out are called exothermic reaction. So what is exothermic reaction? The chemical reactions which involve liberation of heat or energy is called exothermic reaction. So all combination reactions are exothermic in nature. This point you have to keep in mind. All combination reactions are exothermic in nature. Exothermic means heat is given out. So that is one of the important property or important characteristic related to combination reaction. All combination reactions are exothermic in nature. What is exothermic? Exothermic means those chemical reactions in which heat is given out. So combination reactions, during all these chemical reaction, during all these type of combination reaction, heat will be given out from the reaction mixture. Not only combination reaction, there are many other chemical reactions which are exothermic in nature. Let us see what are the other exothermic reaction. For example, burning of natural gas. Natural gas already you have studied in your 8th standard. What is the main constituent of natural gas? Methane. The main constituent of natural gas is methane. Methane is represented as CH4. So the main constituent of natural gas is methane, that is represented as CH4. When this natural gas is burnt, burning means reaction with the oxygen. So burning of natural gas means methane react with oxygen. What are the byproducts that could be formed? Carbon and hydrogen. When it combines with oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor is formed. Along with that, energy will be liberated. Energy in the form of heat will be liberated. So burning of natural gas is an example for exothermic reaction, because along with this product, a huge amount of energy will be released. That is why natural gas is used as a fuel. Not only natural gas, all fuels on combustion will liberate energy. That is why they are called as fuels. So burning of natural gas is an example for exothermic reaction. Now, the second common phenomena, that is respiration. Respiration is a phenomena that is taking place in all living organisms. Respiration is also an exothermic reaction. Why respiration is considered as an exothermic reaction? That is because during respiration, the glucose present in our body is converted to carbon dioxide, water vapor, and along with energy. So respiration is very important for a life to sustain, because only through respiration energy is released in the body. So the glucose which is present in our body during respiration combines with oxygen. The oxygen we are inhaling during respiration to form carbon dioxide, water, and along with energy is also liberated. So respiration is an exothermic process because glucose is converted to energy during respiration. So this is the second example, biological example for an exothermic reaction. Now the third example is decomposition of vegetable matter. Vegetable matter on decompose will be converted to organic compost. So that is also an example for exothermic reaction. So all these examples are given in your textbook. All these are exothermic reaction. So now you have understand what is combination reaction and what are exothermic reactions. And keep in mind that all combination reactions are exothermic reaction which involve liberation of heat. Please refer the textbook, read the textbook carefully, study all the equations. Thank you.